this video, we will learn about immutable variables in Kotlin. In the previous video, we saw that we can create mutable variables using the var keyword. But if we want to create read-only variables, we can use a val keyword. Now we are going to define an immutable variable called country, and we are going to set its value equal to USA. But this time we'll be using the val keyword. Now we are going to print the variable on the output window using the println statement. Now we are going to go ahead and run the program, and we can see nothing has really changed up to this point. However, the big difference is when we create the variable using a val keyword, we are creating read-only variable, means we can assign it only once. Therefore, if I try to assign the variable again by changing the value to Ireland, we are going to get a red squiggly here because Kotlin plugin realizes there is a problem here because val cannot be reassigned. So if we ignore this warning and try to run the program, we get compile time error, as you can see in the output window down below. The same thing is applicable for other data types as well. So if we declare an integer variable using a val keyword and try to reassign it, we get the same compile time error. And we can see that in the output window down below. Alright, so that's it for this video, and we'll see you on the next one.